Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Geeta. Today we'll be solving the same question which we did in the previous video but different method. So a train leaves the station A at 5 am and reaches station B at 9 am on the same day. Another train leaves station B at 7 am on the same day and reaches station A at 10:30 am. So at what time will both the trains meet each other? So from the first sentence, a train leaves station A at 5 am. So let this be station A and then let station B. And this be train A and this be train B. So the data we have here is only the starting and ending time. So starting time of train A is 5 am and reaches station B by 9 am, whereas train B starts at 7 am and reaches station A by 10:30 am. So only the time taken is given here, which is time taken by train A is equals 9 minus 5, which is 4 hours, whereas time taken by train B is 10:30 minus 7, that is 1 by 2 hours, 3.5 hours. So in any train problem, the data we need here is distance equals speed into time. So we have time here, so we have to find the remaining two values, speed and distance. So speed can be found by distance divided by time, so d by t, which is equals d by 4 for now, which is time is 4 hours, and here speed b equals, same thing goes again. So here this 3.5 hours can be converted into 7 by 2 hours. In the first method, in the previous video, I did with 7 by 2 hours. So here I'm going to convert this into decimal, which is 3.5 hours. So speed will be distance by time again, so which is equals distance is d as it is for now, and time is 3.5, and distance is question mark. So again for distance, it's not going to be distance A and distance B because distance is common and it's going to be same for both. So d is equals question mark. So we have to find the d. So d can be found by the time taken, that is 4 hours and 3.5 hours. So which is, we just have to find the LCM of 4, 3.5. So this can be found by writing the multiples of 4, which is multiples of 4 equals 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. I'll stop till this because 3.5, the multiples of 3.5 are 3.5, 7, 10.5. So I'm just adding 3.5 every time. So 3.5 plus 3.5, 7 plus 3.5 is 10.5, and we keep doing that. So the LCM, the least common multiple we got for 4 and 3.5 is 28. So LCM is equals 28, which means the distance equals 28. So by substituting the distance in SCA, we can get as 28 by 4, which is 7 kilometers per hour. And by substituting for SB, which is 28 by 3.5, or here we can just take it as 7 by 2 so that it will be easy for simplifying. 28 divided by 7 by 2, which is 2 goes up here. So 28 divided by 7 times 2, which is 7 times 4 is 28, 4 times 2 is 8. So SB equals 8 kilometers per hour. So now since we have all the data, so we can just find the time will both trains meet. So to find the time taken for both trains to meet, it is found by time equals distance by speed. So the distance is, since the train A started at 5 am, whereas the train B started only at 7 am, and it would have reached half a distance because the time taken by the train A is 5 am to 9 am, that is 4 hours. So by 7 am, it would have reached half a distance, right? So 7 am, it would have reached, like, out of this total 28 kilometers from station A to station B, which is the distance, it would have reached like 14 kilometers. So this remaining 14 kilometers is the distance we need to find where these two trains meet. So which is b equals 14 and divided by speed equals, you have to calculate, add them together because speed of train A plus speed of train B, because both trains are traveling towards each other. So which is equals 14 divided by speed of train A, here we know is 7 kilometers per hour, and speed of train B is 8 kilometers per hour, which is 7 plus 8 kilometers per hour, and this is kilometers, which is equals kilometer gets cancelled, which is 14 by 50 hours. To convert this into minutes, we can just multiply by 60 times 60 minutes. So 15 times 4 is 60, so 4 times 4 is 56 minutes. Since the train has already traveled like 2 hours and this 56 minutes, so the time taken for train A to meet train B is equals 2 hours and 56 minutes, so which is 5 am plus 2 hours and 56 minutes. So it started at 5 am plus after this 2 hours and 56 minutes, it meet the train B. So which is equals 7 hours and 56 minutes. So which is at 7:56 am, the trains will both meet each other. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. And I'll also be doing in a different method in the third video, in the next video. Thanks for watching.